Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning out all of this washi tape. I have this big bag that I need to go through. I have two bins, one for the washi tape I'm not going to be keeping and the other one for the ones that I'm going to be keeping. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing with the washi tape that I'm not keeping. Maybe give it to friends or family. I thought about maybe giving it to some of you guys, so if you're interested, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know if you would want any of this washi tape. I'm going to be drinking my coffee and cleaning out my washi tape, so grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get started. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my goodness. So this bag is actually a makeup bag. It came in a set with a really cute clear rose gold backpack and a whole bunch of little other makeup bags. So I'll leave a link to that set down below if you're interested. But right now what I'm gonna do is just pick out ones that I really like and that I know I'm going to use all the time. So here's the first round of ones that I'm going to be keeping. So here is a round of ones that I'm going to be getting rid of. Okay, I'm gonna pick out some more that I like. So here's another round that I'm keeping. So next I'm gonna pull out holiday ones. So I'm gonna start with Halloween because I know I have a lot of Halloween ones. So these are all of my Halloween ones. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep all of these or not, but I'm gonna set them aside. So now I can see a lot more of them. So I'm gonna go through another round of the ones that I wanna keep. So here's another set that I wanna keep. Now let's go through ones that I want to get rid of. So here is one set that I'm not going to be keeping. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort them by color and I'm gonna see which ones I want to keep from each color section. Okay, so now that I can see how many of what kind of colors I have, I'm gonna go through and pick one of each color that's solid, and then I'll go back through and do the patterns. I think it's good, just like your basics in your closet, it's good to have basics of washi tape colors. So the way that I'm picking this is that this one is the same exact one, but this one has more on the roll, so I'm gonna keep this one and get rid of this one. So here's the first round of what I'm keeping. I kept a big and small one of each solid color. And this is the second set that I'm going to be keeping of the solids. Okay, so what is all that's left is pretty much just patterns. So if I really don't love it, if it really doesn't bring me joy, then I am not going to be keeping it. Okay. This one does not bring me joy. This does not bring me joy. This doesn't. I think it's when they're the dull colors is when they're not as cute to me. So that one does not bring me joy. This one. Okay, so here's a round that I'm going to be getting rid of. So here's another round of ones that I am not going to be keeping. So here's a round that I am going to be keeping. These all bring me happiness. So I condensed them. This is all that was left. And then these are the Halloween ones. So I'm gonna go back to these ones and pick out the ones that I just absolutely love. This looks like Halloween to me. This one's so fun. The little pumpkins, spider webs, the witch legs, this one, okay, so here's a set that I'm going to be keeping. So here's a set that I'm going to be getting rid of. And these ones I'm going to be keeping. And these ones I'm going to be getting rid of. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to do to decide which one of these I'm going to keep is I'm going to put all the ones that I'm already keeping here to see if it looks like I shouldn't keep any of these. So now you can see the ones that I'm keeping and the ones that I'm still going through. So I'm gonna keep these ones. Add them here. The pink area. And these are all the ones that I'm going to get rid of. Okay, move on to the blue. Okay, the blue is going to be the hardest for me because I love this teal color blue. So these are the ones that I'm going to keep. And these are the ones that I'm going to get rid of. I think with this, I'm going to keep this one and see if I use it. And I'm going to keep these two and get rid of this one. So these ones I'm going to get rid of. And these are the ones that I'm going to keep. Okay, we're getting down to the end. I don't think that I'm going to keep any of these ones. I think I'm going to get rid of all of these ones. And then in this batch, I still kind of like that one. I like this one, and I think that's it. Okay, so these are the ones that I'm going to get rid of, and these are the two that I'm going to keep. Okay, so this is what I'm keeping, and this is what I'm going to get rid of. You can see it's so many different washi tapes. Before I did this, it was just too overwhelming to sort through these two big baskets of washi tape to look for things to decorate my planner with. I really have been practicing the less is more motto this year, and it has been bringing so much less stress to my life. And look what I did, reduce my washi tape by half. I'm a really big believer on use what you have, live in the now, and don't overwhelm yourself with so many options. So now that I'm down to one small washi tape collection, I can store it in a smaller container. I can store it in an easier way. And every time I dig into this, I know these are washi tapes that I love and are gonna bring me happiness. As for the washi tape I'm going to be getting rid of, I'm gonna let my mom and my sister go through this big bin before I do anything else with it. But if you might be interested in getting a package full of washi tapes that I promise I have not used a lot of, then leave me a comment down below and we will see what we can do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.